We are called Medfood. We are the largest producers of quality Mediterranean products, predominantly marinated olives and nuts. And we have a huge range. So we have things like Turkish delight, we have a lot of antipasti, we have beautiful dried fruits, but our specialty lies in our marinated olives and our roasted and our roasted nuts, basically, because we have our own olive factory and our own nut factory. So everything is made here in London and actually made in the UK. We use fresh ingredients and we create outstanding flavors. And that's sort of really the proof of the pudding is in the eating. And it shows in the awards that we have won. So we've won a Gold Quality Food Awards, we've won a Great Taste Award for both our olives and nuts. And that, I think, is a testament to the manufacturing team and also our product development team. We've been going to IFE for quite a number of years, and we're proud to be going there again. And for us, it's an opportunity to showcase our products and to really show everybody what Medfood is all about. So we have a beautiful display of our olives, of our antipasti and of our nuts, and it's an opportunity for everybody to come and taste the products and taste the olives. And it's also a really good platform for us to meet buyers, because they come and they have a look at our products and often compare them with what they're already selling, and that really opens doors for us to start conversations with the buyers and businesses, and to have those meaningful conversations that then go on to hopefully to develop into future sales for us. We will have our sales team there who are extremely knowledgeable, and they know the market, they know the products. The second thing they can expect is a feast of products to try and eat, and really just to get to know us a little bit more and to see what we actually do. We are always striving to better what we have. So our new product development team are constantly working on olive flavors and also new nut flavors. Last year we showcased 2 new roasted flavors at our showcase. So we had a sweet chili cashews there that we launched at the show last year, and that was amazing. We're also constantly looking at how tastes develop over time. So then bringing that into our marinated olives range, which is really a speciality from us. So we're constantly looking, and hopefully we will be looking at bringing new products to IFE next. I think for us, IFE is all about connections, about opportunities, and about new products, not just for other people to see what new products we have, but for us to have a look at what's coming in the market, what's new, what's emerging. And it's a really good sort of grounding place for us to start off with, looking at what's coming into the world of food. So it's a wonderful opportunity to do that.